Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to reset a Fire Stick in under a minute and breathe new life into the most popular streaming device. The same process will work on any model of Fire Stick, Fire TV or a Fire TV Cube. Resetting your Fire Stick or a Fire TV is one of the best methods listed in our Fire Stick buffering video. So let's watch on this video. I will explain here the instruction in this video for resetting Fire Stick for those using a new Fire Stick Lite. However, this instruction will also work for any variation of Fire TV device including Fire Stick 4K and Fire TV Cube. For this, first step is hover the settings icon and select My Fire TV. Scroll down and choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Click Reset. Your Fire Stick or Fire TV will start resetting to factory default settings. Wait a few seconds for your device to first power off. Your device will then reboot with this screen. That's it, you have successfully reset your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Here I will explain the another method that is called how to reset Fire Stick in remote method. Sometimes you can't access your settings panel to reset your Fire Stick or a Fire TV due to a frozen system. You can try initiating factory reset on your Fire Stick by pressing the right and back buttons together for 10 seconds or more. You will then be prompted within the following screen. Click OK to continue or cancel.